We're gonna build a shelf, 10 feet tall, 4 feet wide. And from here to here, oh, we have a 6-inch toe kick. It's going in the kitchen. So from here to here, we're gonna go 82 inches tall, cut back in 18. You see it's an odd shape. We have an odd shape shelf, 30 inches up here. Let's see, 30 inches up here, 18 here, 82 here, whatever's left over will be that. And shelves going in there. I'm gonna try to get a shelf at this corner, and we'll get one in here. So I'm not gonna do a lot of talking. We're just gonna get to work on it. It's gonna be a tall, odd shaped red oak shelf with fixed shelving, non-adjustable shelving. Oh wait, I need that. Damn it. Okay, now that's what we need right there. You see that, Derek?
Yeah, I think we can see it.
Okay, let's go. Now the fun part, there's Derek filling the holes.
Well, you gotta fill those holes.
He's filled a hole or two, a time or
I don't
two.
know about filling holes.
Gotta get those holes filled in, sanded, clear coated. She's out the door. This is day one, 2 hours. We gotta get to some other stuff. This took 2 hours with both of us on it.
What about that plywood?
Well, we got it stood up here and we got a clear coat on it this morning and I didn't turn the camera on. This is the spray gun I use for all the clear coat, all the water-based clear and the water-based paint, latex paint, because it cleans up with water. I got another one that I use with oil-based and oil-based paint. But this is what I use. It's I don't know, what is this? 150 bucks, it's Wagner. I don't know what the model number is, but it's a really good sprayer to use. It's electric, runs on the extension cord. Look how tall this is. "10 feet. I'll sand off that first clear coat and get another one on. I'll shoot that. So hang tight, we're almost done. Should have had my damn mask on, but I forgot to put it on when I started, so I just went ahead and this time without the mask. I know everybody's gonna say something.